Blockchains are secure, but they are isolated. Oracles are the bridges that bring real-world data into these digital networks. In the world of blockchain, an oracle is not a psychic. It is a piece of software that acts as a secure data messenger. Blockchains are like computers without an internet connection. They can process data inside the chain, but they cannot reach out to external sources. Oracles listen for requests, fetch the information from traditional web servers, and inject that data directly into a smart contract. You can use one source for data, but decentralized oracles aggregate info from many places to prevent manipulation, making them much more reliable. Using multiple independent nodes to confirm data ensures that malicious actors cannot easily feed false information to a financial application. Without oracles, smart contracts would be limited to simple, internal logic. They are essential for any app tracking real-world events. Understanding oracles helps you see how decentralized finance connects to our everyday lives. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more basics.